Apure Flow Meter factory focuses on the production of high-precision flow measurement equipment. The factory is equipped with precision machining workshop, electronic assembly workshop, flow calibration laboratory, quality testing center, and other departments to ensure that every aspect of the product from research and development, production to the factory meets the strict industry standards. Our products include magnetic flow meters, ultrasonic flow meters, vortex flow meters, turbine flow meters, and so on. The factory is equipped with high-precision CNC machining equipment, automatic welding robots, full automatic placement machines, dust-free electronic assembly lines, and adopts the international leading production technology to ensure the quality of each flow meter. At the same time, we have built high-precision water flow and gas flow calibration devices to ensure that all factory products are strictly calibrated and tested. With high-quality products and perfect service, our flow meters have been exported to Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and other countries and regions, trusted by customers. We are looking forward to establishing long-term cooperation with global customers and providing more accurate and reliable flow measurement solutions.